Okay, this is the blizzard. I'm all covered in snow, as you can see, and snow is blowing in the blizzard. I love it. Let's walk. Well, it is not as it was blowing a couple of minutes ago, but I couldn't take my cell phone out of my pocket because I'm freezing. Okay. It's not blowing as hard, but you can see there's a blizzard. Some people don't understand back in South America what a blizzard is. It's windy and a lot of small icy pieces getting attached to everything, freezing everything, like my forehead. Alright, that's it for here today, guys. Enjoy the blizzard. Maybe you cannot see